Good evening, Mr. Ning.
Yeah,
Yeah, I didn't notice the time.
yeah,
I was
uh,
just phoning. I was on my phone checking on something, and then I got a message. Oh, it's already 9:32, something like that. I'm sorry.
yes. No, that's not.
Okay. So how's your day, Mr. Ning?
Yes, today is a hash day.
It's a hard day. It's been a
Yes,
hard day's night.
yes.
Okay. All right. Okay. Another day, another work. Okay.
Mm,
All right. So, how many patients did you have today?
I I can count,
Oh, you
but
can't count them.
yes, but I have many words to arrange to
Mm-hmm.
manage my department. Yes,
Mm-hmm.
many words. Yeah,
Okay.
yeah.
And then at the same time, you need to open your clinic.
Yes. Uh, uh, and when I come to my clinic, I feel tired. Yes, I
Okay.
please come to less to my clinic.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Okay. And then I'm your last stop. You still have to do a 40-minute English class. You still
Yeah.
have the energy?
Yes.
Oh, you have the energy.
Yes.
Oh,
I
okay, okay.
am the last LZ.
Okay. All right. Okay. So last time we did issue one. So we will continue issue one and I'm going to share screen with you. Okay.
Yes.
Right. So PDF 11. Okay. Actually, we're talking about we talked about the sample answers before, and now we're going to do the dialogue. Okay. It's
Yes.
between a man and a woman, male and female. So the
Yes.
question is, who do you think are busier these days? Men or women? So are you ready?
Yes.
Okay. Of course, you will do the part of the man. Okay.
Yes.
Okay.
As Solway, men are busier than women are.
What? How can you say that?
Maybe at one time
Hmm.
a woman's work is never done was true, but this day a woman can do all of her housework in a few hours and have lots of leisure time to shop, to meet her friends before her husband and children get home. I wish I had life that easy.
You aren't a woman, and it's obvious you don't know what you are talking about.
Obviously, I'm not
Obviously.
obviously I'm not female, but that doesn't mean that I'm ignorant.
Ignorant. But
Ignorant.
that doesn't mean that I'm ignorant. Okay. So, Mr. Ning, if there's something you do not understand, you ask me right away so I can explain. Okay.
Yes.
All right. The modern woman has to get up early in the morning, fix breakfast for her family, get her children ready for school, get herself dressed, go to work, spend a hard day on the job, come home, help kids with homework, do the housework, prepare supper, do the dishes, put the kids to bed, finish any work that she has taken home with her from the office, deal with her husband's needs, and then finally go to sleep. And then early the next day, she starts the routine all over again.
Mhm. Never treats.
Mm-hmm.
I spend far more time at work than my wife does. Even after hours, I have to meet with the client to
Clients. Client.
client
Yeah.
clients to further the company interests.
Okay. All right. So this word you say nevertheless, nevertheless, and then
Nevertheless,
yes, and then clients. Okay.
clients.
All right. Okay. She said, you mean you go to fancy restaurants and expensive bars instead of going home and helping your wife?
It may seem like fun to an outsider, but it is actively very stressful. I really just want to be at home.
Once a man's done with work, he's done. But a woman has to maintain two jobs, one at home and one outside the house. No wonder she gets old so fast.
Oh, come on. Women are life men by children, yes. I'm convinced that the hard work shortens man life and the woman gets to save their energy and live longer.
Okay. You should say outlive. Outlive.
Our,
Okay.
our life.
Yeah,
Yes.
women outlive men. All right.
Uh,
Okay. No, but maybe women are so busy they aren't able to drink or smoke or overeat the way men do. It's those activities which kill them off, not the work.
mm,
Okay, so these are the vocabulary words, okay? So fix it
yeah.
means prepare. Routine is usual way of doing things. Further is to help something succeed or be achieved. Outlive, it means to live longer than somebody else. And kill off is destroy completely. Okay, right. So the man and the woman are having a battle here. Which do they think is busier, men or women? So who do you think won? Who do you think is busier?
Uh,
Is
uh,
it
I
the
think
man or the woman?
I think uh, I think women is busier.
Yeah, because she enumerated, okay, everything that she has to do, that she has to get up early in the morning, okay? And then the next day she starts the routine all over again. Do you agree
Yeah.
with her? Do you agree
Yeah.
with her? Okay.
Yes, I agree with her.
All right. Mr.
Although,
Ning, is your wife a working mom or a housewife?
uh,
Hmm? Is
uh,
your wife a working mother or a housewife?
uh, mm, working mother. Can
Mm-hmm.
you
Okay. So a
repeat?
working mom, yeah, yeah. Is your wife a working mom? Working mom or plain housewife? Does she
Uh,
work outside?
yes, she work outside.
Oh, so she is one of the modern woman. The modern woman.
Yes. My
Okay.
is a doctor too.
Oh,
Uh, yes, but she teach in she's a teacher in some medical college.
Ah, wow. So that
Yeah.
is my dream. My
Mm.
dream is to become a doctor and be a college professor. That's what I
Yeah.
wanted. Yeah, that is
Yeah.
what I wanted. However, when I graduated in med school, because I have pre-med, my pre-med is 5 years course, and that is physical therapist. I
Yeah.
graduated as physical therapist, and I dreamed of continuing to be a rehab doctor, a physiatrist. I want to be a physiatrist because I'll be dealing with sports rehabilitation medicine. Yeah, so that's what I wanted. However, due to uh, financial problem, okay, so my parents cannot support
Yes.
anymore. So and then I have to work. And then eventually I got married. So my dream of becoming doctor disappeared. Now I'm a teacher.
Yes. You
Yeah.
are very sorry, but
Yeah.
you are good teacher. Is yeah, it's very
Yeah.
good for people, for
Mhm.
me and many people. Yeah, and
Yeah.
this
So,
many doctor can say English.
so that is why I'm very interested when we talk about medical cases. Yeah, I love to talk about those things like what happened. Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. Anyway, those were the days. Okay. All right. So, our next topic is about happiness. So, here is the big question. Are you happy?
Yes, I
Yes, of course, you should be
am.
happy. Okay.
Yeah.
All right. So, now I want you to read this one. Okay. What makes you happy? Okay, please read.
Yes. Uh, what makes you happy? More fundamentally, what does happiness mean? The way we answer this question is very important if we want to achieve a happy life. We should know that and know what makes us feel satisfied and sad. That's why we could pursue. Can you
Pursue. Pursue.
pers- pursue
Pursue. Yeah.
pursue? Yes. We could pursue some situations and evade uh, others. Everyone is different in terms of what he desires and what he despises.
Mm-hmm.
For us, yes, for example, most people seem to want more money, thinking it will make them happier. But some believe that material design is endless and thus causes eternal trouble.
Yeah, okay. I will repeat what makes you happy. So, more fundamentally, what does happiness mean? Okay? The way we answer these questions is very important if we want to achieve a happy life. We should know what makes us feel satisfied and sad. That way, we could pursue some situations and evade others. Everyone is different in terms of what he desires and what he despises. For example, most people seem to want more money, thinking it will make them happier. But some believe that material desire is endless and that causes eternal trouble. Do you have any question?
Mm, mm, mm. Can you explain some mean of some
Mhm,
words? Uh,
mhm,
Design and
mhm.
despices.
Okay. So everyone is different in terms of what he desires. Desire is what you like, what your heart like, what you want. Okay? Those are
Yeah.
your desires. I like this, I like that, I want this, I want that. Those are your desires, things that you want. Okay? And
Yes.
what he despises is the opposite, things that you reject and things that you don't want. Okay?
Yes.
Desire and despise. Okay.
Yes.
Yeah, wait a minute. Let's see. Okay. Desire and okay, wait. What you desire and what you despise. There. Clear?
Yes.
Okay. So it depends. Okay. So your happiness depends on what you like and what you don't like. Okay.
Yes.
All right. So anything else?
Uh, mm, Task and list and task. Can you explain the
Which one?
task?
Here?
Uh,
Thus?
yes. Yes.
Okay. Some people believe that material sphere is endless and thus, and it. Okay. So this is like an explaining word. Okay. You use thus. 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 Okay. This is an
Mm,
adverb, which like do. Do. Okay.
yes.
All right.
Mhm.
It is easier to explain in Vietnamese. Okay.
Yes.
Thus. Okay. All right. What else?
Yes. Okay.
The more.
Yes. No more.
Okay. So, what makes you happy? Okay. So, there are 10 things considered to make a person happy. Okay. But I want you to only choose your top five. Only top five. Okay.
Yes.
What makes you happy? Okay. So, number one, of course, it's the thing that makes you the happiest. Okay. So, what is your top one? Number one that makes you happy.
Mm,
Choose only five.
I change being in love.
Wow, that's number one.
Yes.
Okay. So that's being in love makes you happy. Yeah. Okay. What's number two?
Number two. Uh, num- Number two, I change being healthy and physical attractive.
Okay.
Yes.
What's number three?
Three is uh, having a hobby.
Having a hobby.
Yes.
Okay. Number 4.
Number 4. Doing my job well.
Doing your job well makes you happy.
Yes.
And the 5th one.
Having friends.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay. But how come having money is not on your list? You don't like money? You don't need money?
No.
No.
Uh,
Oh.
I uh, I want much money, but
Mm-hmm.
I I think uh, not it's it's it is not on.
It's not all.
Yes, it's
Okay.
not on.
It's not
Yes.
about the money, money, money. We don't need your money, money, money.
Yeah.
Okay, yeah. So there are things that money can't buy. So if you are in love, yeah, you can be happy when you're in love. When
Yes.
you are healthy and physically attractive, you can be happy because even if you have all the money in the world, but you are sick, you'll never be happy. You are
Yes.
not healthy, you are in bed and sick.
Mm,
I remember what Stephen Jobs. Do you know Stephen Jobs?
yes. I know.
Yeah, so when he got sick, he said that all this money are worthless. He doesn't need the money anymore. And
Mm,
he cannot even bring all his money where he is going because he said that I'm going to leave the world naked. Yeah, so he can't bring all his money with him. So soon he realized that the luxury watch I'm wearing, I cannot bring it with me. So he said that it is more important to be happy and focus on your health.
yes.
Ah, okay. All right. So here there are words, okay, that are written here. Okay, just in case you're not familiar to them. Okay. So we
Yes.
have the word pursue. It means to continue in order to accomplish some goal. Despise, something that you hate, something, or it could be something or somebody that you hate or you don't like. Okay. We have integrity. It means honesty, soundness of moral quality. Evade is avoid in terms of concerning, preserve, diploma. Okay.
Yes.
All right. So there are sample answers here. Okay. Because the question is what makes you happy? Okay. Now I
Yes.
want you to read sample A.
Yes.
It says that.
I would say that being in love is the happiest feeling in my life.
Mhm,
Except that every time I've been in love, I felt miserable.
mhm,
You want the other person to love you in return, so you are hypersensitive about whether that is true or not. If you are not with your loved one all the time, you feel lonely and anxious emotionally. Emotionally,
mhm.
it's like being on a roller coaster at the amusement park, but
Mhm.
the ride never ends.
Mhm. You got it?
Mm, Yes.
According to speaker A, being in love is the happiest feeling in his life. Just like you. Just like you. Because your top answer is being in love. Remember
Yeah.
what you have chosen? Your
Yes.
number one is being in love. Ah,
Yes.
okay. And also, the speaker here is the happiest feeling in his life, except he said, every time I've been in love, I felt miserable. It's like, it's the happiest, but he felt sad because you want the other person to love you back, to love you in return. So you are very sensitive about whether that is true or not. So if you are in love, you want the woman to love you the way you love her. Okay, so
Yeah.
sometimes you don't believe. So if you are not with your loved one all the time, you feel lonely and anxious. Emotionally, it's like being on a roller coaster. Roller coasters, imagine up and down. Okay, it's not fixed, but the ride never ends. Do you have any question on sample A?
Mm, so, uh, can you explain the
Mhm.
sentence roller coaster?
Aha, okay. Yeah, when you are on a roller coaster, so sometimes you are up and down. It's not fixed. It's unstable. It is like an unstable ride. Just imagine riding a roller coaster. Sometimes you are down and then going up, and then you suddenly go down. So that
Mm,
is a roller coaster ride, okay? It says here, okay, being in a situation that is impossible to control because it keeps changing very quickly. So that is on a roller coaster.
yes.
Okay. Wait, I'm going to give you the vocabulary words also under this one.
Yes.
Yeah. Anything else?
Yes.
No more?
Yes. Yes. No more.
Okay. So that is a roller coaster ride. Okay. In a
Yes.
situation you cannot control because it keeps changing very quickly, just like when you are in a roller coaster. Have you tried riding a roller coaster?
Mm, trading.
Yeah, wait. I will show you, okay?
Yes.
Okay. So here is a roller coaster ride. Look at the loop, okay? So sometimes you go down, up. Look at this. Yeah,
Mm.
okay. So it keeps changing. It's not just one straight line because you have to go up and then suddenly you're down and then up and then you're down. Okay?
Yeah.
Yeah. So have you tried? Have you
Mm,
tried?
no, I
Not
haven't.
yet?
Yeah.
You haven't. Okay. It's
Uh,
fun, yeah, but it's
uh,
fun but scary.
yes. I don't scary, and but I don't have occasions to.
Ah, to go to an amusement park.
Uh,
Ah, oh,
I take the children to some place, but
mhm.
I don't have time to try it.
You don't have the time to try. Okay. All
Yes.
right. Now, so we have sample number two. Okay. What makes you happy? According to speaker B, he said if I had my diploma, I could do anything in life I wanted. It would be easier to find a better job and make more money. I could attend concerts and sporting events and take wonderful vacations. I could drive a nice car and live in a big house. And I'd be able to be friends with rich, attractive, successful people. But unfortunately, studying doesn't make me happy at all. Any question?
Mm, no. Mm,
No. Okay.
yes. No.
Right. Okay. So, Mr. Ning, how do you
Yeah.
usually respond if your friend asks you if you are happy?
Mm, mm,
How do you reply? What is your answer if a friend asks you, "Hey bro, are you happy?"
uh, yes, I can talk to them.
Mm-hmm.
Uh, yeah, I have uh, a happy family. I
Mm-hmm.
have good children,
Mm-hmm.
and I have a good job. Yeah.
Mm.
Yes.
Okay. So you
Mm,
are happy. There is no
mm,
reason not to be happy.
yes, and yes. Mm, Sometimes in in my life is some difficult, but
Mm-hmm.
I think no reasons can trouble on my life.
Mm. Okay.
Yeah.
There are some difficulties in your life, but that doesn't make you miserable. That
Yes.
doesn't make you unhappy. Yeah.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
All right. Because of that answer, are you satisfied with your current life? Why or why not?
Mm, yes. No, I'm not. I'm not satisfied with my current life.
You are
Yeah.
not satisfied yet?
Uh,
What do you want?
satisfied.
Mm-hmm.
Uh, Sorry, can I just mean I'm satisfied?
Are you satisfied with
Yes.
your current life?
Yes, I am. Mhm.
Of course, you have a
Yes.
happy family, you have a very uh, loving wife, okay, you have a
Yeah.
good career, so you can say you are satisfied with your life. Okay.
Yes. Mm.
Okay. So you are satisfied. Okay.
Yes.
All right. So, what is your secret for a happy life?
Mm.
Do you have a secret?
Mm. No, no secrets.
No secret.
Yes, I live in a normal
Mm-hmm.
style. Yes, no
Mm-hmm.
secrets. Yeah.
No secret.
Yeah.
Okay. All right. Actually, it's to have a happy life is you go back to number two. Okay. So if you are satisfied with your current life, so you can be happy. You are
Yeah.
happy when you are satisfied. Okay.
Yes.
Yeah. Okay. So that is the secret of a happy life. The secret of a happy for a happy life is to find satisfaction in your life. Okay?
Yes. Yes.
Secret of a happy life is to find satisfaction in your life.
Yes.
Ah, okay. Because it's like if you want more, you
Yes.
will never be happy because you can never be satisfied because your
Yeah.
desire is endless.
Mm. Yes.
Ah, okay.
Yes, I think
Does
so.
yeah, so does money make people happy?
Mm.
Does
Mm.
money make people happy?
I think I think money can make people have a fun, but makes the people happy is not sure.
Not sure.
Yes.
Okay. All
Yes.
right. Actually, it depends. Okay. So, as
Yes.
I observe, if you ask a poor person, if you ask someone who needs money, does
Yes.
money make you happy? Definitely yes. Yeah,
Yes.
the answer is yes because he needs money. Okay. But if you ask someone who has a lot of money, does money make you happy? He will tell you, no, money can't make me happy. So it depends on what we need at the present time. Okay. But
Yes.
if you tell me, Teacher Carmina, I'm going to give you $1 million, will it make you happy? I will tell you, yes, 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 yes.
Yes.
Yes, 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 yes. Okay. Because you can do a lot of things with money,
Yes.
right? You can enjoy it. You can buy what you want. You can travel. Yeah.
Yes, because it can make you have fun, many fun.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
You can enjoy, right? Okay.
Yes.
So we will continue some of the questions here. So when you have free time, you can take a look at the questions that you will answer just in case you have the time to do your class on Wednesday. Okay. Because
Yes.
we will continue from this one. Okay. So these
Yes.
are the things that we will discuss on Wednesday, just in case you're not too busy to do the class. Okay.
Yes.
Okay. So this will be our topic. So you can check them out. Okay. All right.
Mm,
So it's been a long day for you, Mr. Ning. So it's time to rest. You sleep
yeah.
well. Okay.
Yeah.
All
Thank
right.
you.
Good night.
Bye
Bye.
bye.
Okay.